Good morning from Lyon. This is our second full day in Lyon, and we are on our way to a food tour. It's called a secret food tour, and we're pretty excited. We don't normally do tours.
We've only
when
done one
we
other
travel.
one, right?
One other, what one was that?
In Paris, the very first time we went to Paris.
That's right. We
And that
did a
was
walking
spectacular,
tour.
and we're hoping that this one's just as good.
Yep. So we're going to take you along with us today. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
Famous for these citrons, these lemons, sorry. This is fundamental, and this is a shop that works with local producers, small producers, buys up all their stocks and makes all these products. There's food products in there, beauty products, etc. And a potato and lemon vodka. Okay, so that's like French limoncello. Apparently they're very generous with their samples. Okay. Sure. Yeah, so oh yeah. Sorry. Sorry.
It's like a pastry pizza.
Oh, imagine putting some of this in, like, you know, anything like that. 100% chili. 100%
all the achievements.
And the pigeons rather quite like this as well, I have to say. Yes.
Tony, how is it?
Harder than you expect. So
It's what, harder or tartar? Harder?
harder.
Okay.
Alright, we're going to go to Traboules now. We will need to be quiet.
These Traboules also exist in other cities with a medieval heritage.
So it's a very wet food tour so far, but it's pretty good.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
far, so good.
Very informative.
On to the next stop. Ah.
incredibly cold in the winter and the hottest day of time. So your status will reverse within today. The richer you were, the lower you.
Bonne continuation.
Continue enjoying it.
Attention les gars.
So what do you think?
I like it, although a one-time use hat.
No, I'll wear it more than once.
Okay.
Definitely.
We have
I
about
will.
8 of those at home that
Well,
you wear about once.
I prefer it to an umbrella. If I had to buy an umbrella, okay, maybe an umbrella would have been a little bit less expensive, but this wasn't bad.
It's not a question of the money. It looks good. It's easy to
Yes.
carry. It's easy when you get on a plane to stick it in the bag. You don't have to worry about its shape and whatnot so much. So it looks great. It matches your coat and your scarf really well.
I love it. But you know, I buy these hats because I love the hats. So I do maybe not. I don't necessarily wear it as much, especially in Florida. Like I'm not going to wear this
Yeah,
very much in
you
Florida.
remember the last thing I said to you before we left?
Yeah.
What was it?
Are you going to pack a hat?